Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at creating for free Instagram bio links in Canva. Now let me show you what they are. This is my Instagram account on my phone, and when you go to my profile you can click here on this bit.ly link and you're going to be taken to a Canva page. Now this is done with Canva free because I only ever do things with Canva free. It's very simple to do, and there are heaps of links that I can put in here that are links to email or to websites that either I control or things like my channel on YouTube. So it's very easy to set up, and one of the beauties of doing this in Canva is it's going to be automatically updated. Now I've used a bit.ly link because the Canva link is really long, so I just think it's a neater way of doing it. And with bit.ly, of course, you can add your own custom link to it. So I've got bit.ly Helen Bradley profile. So I'm going to show you all the bits that we're going to use here, and we're going to do it in Canva. So let me quickly switch back to Canva. And here on the screen is that Canva document. Now, if I make changes to this, they're going to be automatically flowing through because this is a website. Basically, I've set this up as a website in Canva. So let's see how you're going to do it. We're going to start with the Canva main screen, and we're going to type here bio link website. Well, you can just see it here, bio link website. Now this is a very special page in terms of its size. It's 1080 by 1920, so it is in portrait size. So let's just go to that and we can get a whole heap of templates. You can use one of these templates. I adapted this one, or you can create your own, but you might find it easier just to start with a template. So for example, let's go back to the one that I chose. And I just made changes to it. Obviously the background, I made a change to that. I just went to background and chose a different background. This is the one I chose. And then I sourced colors from the image. So when I click here on this box here, I'll go to the color, and you can see that I'm getting the photo colors. So I can actually use colors from the photo behind. I just resized these, reorganized it with a picture of myself that I had uploaded to Canva. Obviously you'll be familiar with going to uploads and uploading your media. I have a couple of pictures of myself that I use. So the important thing here is the links. So let's just go and change this one to YouTube. Now you can add red triangles like I did. You can do all sorts of things. I'm just going to add the word YouTube because this is all we need. I'm going to select over it. I'm going up here to the link icon, and here is where you're going to paste in your YouTube link. So I would add my YouTube link and click apply. And this is now hyperlinked. So any of your links are going to be done the exact same way. You can copy and paste them. You know how to do that. What we're worried about is how it actually works inside Canva. Now, the contact me one is a little bit tricky. Let me just get rid of some of these so I can stretch this out a little bit. So what I want to do is make this an email link. So I'm going to change this to email me. Now, email links are a bit different. So this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to select over the text. You can actually link to individual characters, so you are going to want to make sure that you select the entire piece of text. Go up here to the link icon again, and here you're going to type the word mail to, M-A-I-L-T-O, and then a colon. And then you're going to add your email address. And if you do that and click apply, then it will be added as an email link. So if we go back and check it, you can see that this is stuck. If it's not correct, Canva won't let you use it. So assuming that you've got all of this populated, and you can add multiple pages if you want to, you can do all sorts of things here. You just do what makes sense to you. You can obviously update this at any time with new links. This is your profile page for Instagram. And once you're done, you're going to publish this as a website. So up here, publish as website, you'll click on that, and I'm going to choose the single page, just a standard website, because mine's only one page, but if you had multiple pages and stuff, you can do that. And so when you click open website, this is now a website. So if we come here and go to email me, we will actually go and start up a new email link. And so this would launch my email software. Now I don't use the email software that is actually linked here. So I'm not actually going to do that, but that would open in somebody's email software. So let me just get out of there. So let's turn that off. Now YouTube, I'll just click on that and I'll be taken to my YouTube account. And so here is my YouTube channel. So you can add all sorts of things to this. Now it's coming up really large on the internet, but of course when it's on a phone, it's going to be shrunk to phone size. So the other thing that I suggest you do is you change this, because at the moment it's just got a whole lot of gunk up there. So I would put your name in here. I'm just doing Helen Bradley profile, and so now when we go to it as a website, it's going to have Helen Bradley profile at the top, where before it had all this stuff here. So that's pretty much the only thing that you have to do, except that when you are publishing as a website, this is your website details. So you will take these and you're going to add them to your profile in Instagram. So you're going to copy them and then go to your Instagram profile. Now this is my Instagram profile. I'm on a browser on the internet. I can use that, or you can do it from Instagram. And what you're going to do here is you're going to change the website. So here is the website. At the moment I'm using Bitly, but what you would do is you would just paste it in there. And then of course you'll go and submit it here, and then you'll test it on Instagram and make sure it works. Now, if you want to use Bitly, you'll just go to the Bitly website. Here it is, Bitly website. And what you do here is you just click create and you paste in your URL. And then you can go and create a back half. So you can change this to your profile or whatever you want to call it. It's just all one word. So I'm going to call this H.L. Bradley bio. And if it's allowed, you'll be just allowed to click save. Now this text here is case sensitive, so you want to be aware of that. Once you've done that, if you save it, then you can go and copy it, and that's going to be your new Bitly link, and you're going to paste that in to your Instagram. So you would add it in here and then obviously go and test it. So this is ridiculously easy to do, and it's incredibly powerful, because in a lot of other cases, kind of tools that you're going to have to use to create an updatable Instagram bio that has links in it is going to cost you money. And so being able to use Canva, a tool that you're familiar with, it's dead easy to use and that updates automatically, is just so simple and so smart. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you'll be able to now create your Instagram profile here in Canva. And of course, because it's a Canva document, you'll just be able to go back to Canva at any time and make changes to it. And those changes are going to roll through automatically to Instagram. You don't have to do any of the updating anymore in Instagram. That's just set in concrete. You'll just come in here, and if you've got a post that you want people to be referred to, then you'll just add it here. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned things about Canva of which you were previously unaware. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Until next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel.